Here we are, another edition of Show Me Your Car. I got a beautiful Camaro Z28 here. I'm Craig with Show Me Your Car.
Mike Price.
Mike, nice to meet you, buddy. I love your car. Tell us a little bit what you got going on here with it.
It's a 69 Z28 Camaro, all numbers matching. She's had one paint job, but it's all the original metal work.
Is that the original color too?
That's the original factory color. Nothing's been changed on it in terms of aftermarket, if you want to call it that.
Right, so it's pretty much stock.
It's stock. She's got about 70,000 miles on it.
Okay, that's pretty low miles for being this age. Now, a Z28, and I've seen someplace on here where it was a 307?
302.
302.
Yeah.
Okay, now, what's the deal with the 302? Is that something to do with the Trans-Am racing back in the day?
Yeah. They took a 327 block and stuck 283 inner guts in it to get it down to that under 305 requirement for racing.
Okay, for the Trans-Am races back in the day.
And
okay,
she winds out and screams at about 7,000 RPM. And
really? Wow.
She'll scream when she wants to.
Yeah.
And she'll suck gas when she wants to.
Oh, yeah. It'd pass everything but a gas station, right?
Yeah, if you don't keep your foot out of it, it will.
Yeah, for sure. I always loved the way the front ends on these things looked. That's so cool.
But yeah, she's fun.
Yeah, how long have you had it?
I'm going to say 10 years.
Okay, so you've had it a while.
It came out of a dealership in Rhode Island. Then it went to New Jersey. Then it went to California.
Okay.
And then it came back here.
Wow.
And I've got the photos of the motor numbers and the transmission numbers and the rear end numbers and the previous owner copies of their titles. And
wow.
I got the pop tag and all that fun stuff that
you
came
darn.
with it.
That is too cool. Do you know what the color of this orange is? What the color? What's the color name of it was?
They call it Hugger Orange.
Hugger Orange. Okay.
Everybody had an orange, and everybody had a different name for it, depending on who was making it, what year.
Right. Exactly. I take a peek at the inside here.
Hugger Orange. Go ahead. It's dirty in there.
That's all right. We won't tell nobody.
It's got the black houndstooth interior in it.
That's pretty. Is that a 4-speed you got in there?
Yeah, they only came with a 4-speed.
Okay. This thing is really amazing.
Well, we try and keep it clean and keep it on the road.
Pretty car, pretty car. What's your favorite thing about this car?
It screams.
Okay, yeah.
She will scream when you get in it.
Yeah, awesome. Definitely. Would you mind firing it up so we can hear it?
Yeah.
Well, it sounds good. It's got a nice little lope to it. Sounds real nice.
Yeah. The 302 did come with a nice little lope in it.
Yeah.
And according to the odometer I just looked at, it says 70,026 miles.
70,000 miles on it.
Yep.
That's unbelievable. Well, I tell you what, this is something to be proud of.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah. Definitely.
I do. I love it.
Yeah, for sure. So you got power brakes. Has it got power steering on it?
It's got power disc on the. It's got power brakes on it. It's got disc on the front and drum on the rear.
Okay.
No power steering. No air conditioning.
It meant to go straight and fast, I guess. Around some corners, but once you...
she'll corner nicely.
Does it handle real good when you go around the corner?
Yeah, but you got to go back to... Back then, it really handled well.
Right.
Compared to the stuff that's out here now that
exactly
just hugs it.
Right.
But yeah,
for
you
sure.
gotta pay attention making the turn.
Oh yeah.
Otherwise, she would just keep on going.
Wow. All right. Well, is there anything else you want to add to your story here about your showing me your car?
Like I said, she's.
It sure is a beauty.
Replacement of whatever goes bad on it.
Yeah, definitely. All right, well, I really appreciate you taking the time and showing me your car.
Oh, you're welcome.
And it's definitely something to be proud of. I just love the old style tires that you got on there. And for all you folks that don't know what old tires used to look like, now this is not an old tire, it's a reproduction tire, but that's the way they used to look.
Yeah, that's still a polyglass tire, it's just newer production.
All right.